Hello and welcome to another B&T unboxing video. Today we are going to take a look at the Game Boy Advance video cartridge. But before we get too deep in the weeds, if you have not, please consider subscribing to this channel and welcome if this is your first time. This right here is a video system cartridge was put out for the Game Boy Advance. There were several different volumes. Most of them never went past volume 1, even though they all were called Volume 1. The Cartoon Network collection had, I want to say they went up to Volume 3, but some of them, they never went past Volume 1. In short, what it is it's a Game Boy Advance cartridge that has videos on it. Sounds amazing! However, Game Boy Advance cartridges are not very large. These are 32 megs, and if you got a movie, those were 64 meg cartridges. I read that the quality is low to horrible, but we're going to find out. And I have not heard of these until the other day. I saw them online, and I think this one cost me like $6.50. So not very expensive. And if you're wondering how much they cost new, according to the Wikipedia article, they were $9.99. So the price has come down a little bit in the past 15 years. These actually came out in 2005, 2006, so they're not insanely old. This is a brand new box. It has not been opened. I don't even know. I've never had a new Game Boy Advance game, so I don't know how it's supposed to be sealed. This is officially licensed to work on the Game Boy by Nintendo, but I don't know. I don't think it was put out by Nintendo. So I don't know if this is a reseal or. All right, here we go. We're gonna dive into it. I'm gonna cut open and see what this looks like, and then we're gonna pop it up on the. I have a Game Boy player for the GameCube. We're gonna see how that looks. Here we go. Get that in the shot. So, I've gotten one or two games that have been shrink wrapped by a third party, and the plastic is much thicker. It's a harder plastic. So, thus far, it seems like a Nintendo-esque plastic. Let's open this up and see what we have. So we have the manual, and we have. I can get it out. You would think after all this time it wants to come out. We have a cartridge. Now, to easily distinguish these from regular Game Boy game or Game Boy Advance games, these are white, grayish plastic, whereas the standard Game Boy Advance is a black case. And the little manual, you know it's bad when the little manual is just a grainy ass picture of what you're going to be dealing with. But and then there's advertisements for some other games. That's pretty much it. Doesn't even tell you. Don't think it does. Yeah, it doesn't even say what games you have, or not games, but what videos are going to be on this disc. It does say in the back of the box, so it's not completely unknown. But all right, enough talking about the Game Boy video. Let's pop it into the Game Boy player and see what kind of quality and action we can get from this little cartridge. Well, that was a short experiment. As you can see with the graphic on screen, there appears to be some copy protection on the Game Boy player that prevents these Game Boy Advance videos from playing. Apparently, Nintendo was concerned of the mighty VCR copying these videos. Anyhow, I have read that there are homebrew solutions to get around this problem, so we will be investigating those and see if we can get these videos to play. Keep you posted on that, and hopefully sooner than later we'll be able to experience the Game Boy Advance video firsthand. Thank you for spending the time exploring the Game Boy Advance video cartridge Cartoon Network collection with me. Please subscribe to the channel for all the latest updates on unboxing junk. And again, thank you, and keep gaming. Good night.